Hi, in this video today we're going to see if these liquid soda crystals really do clean as well as TikTok videos suggest they do. So here we have a filter from an extractor hood, and it is absolutely disgusting, as you would expect, because it's been nicely used. Now normally when you try to clean these, it's kind of hard because it's grease and water will just rub straight off it. You rub it with cloths and stuff and then the cloth's covered in grease, so it's they're not the easiest thing to clean. Now there's no carbon or anything built into this, it is just a mesh that traps the grease. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour this liquid soda crystals all over it. We're going to leave it for a good hour and then see, by just giving it a little scrub of the brush and also giving it a rinse, will it come out clean as they do in the TikTok videos, or will it be just as dirty as before? So let's get started. So we're going to put the worst side down. Also the tray itself is filthy as well, so hopefully it might clean up the tray. And now we're just going to pour this stuff all over it. So the consistency is quite thick. It's more like a liquid gel. Right, there we go. So it's nicely covered now. We're going to come back in about 1 hour and let's see what it looks like. So it's been about an hour now, so we're going to give it a bit of a scrub with a brush wearing gloves. You can already see that that grime is lifting. Okay, so we've given it a nice scrub there just to help clean it, and now what we're doing is we've got a bowl here. We're just going to bring it inside and we're going to rinse it out with some warm water and also some fairy washing up liquid. Okay, so you can see how much cleaner it's come out. What we're going to do now is just give it the final rinse with some fairy washing up liquid, just in case there's any soda crystals left anywhere. But already, in certain parts, I can actually see through it, so it must be a lot cleaner than it was before. So that's it rinsed out now. What we're going to do is give it a quick dry with some kitchen roll and let's see the final result. Okay, here it is, pretty much dry now, and it's come out really good. I can actually see right the way into the mesh now, while before that was all clogged with grease. If you look closely, I can still see yellow staining in certain areas depending on how the light hits it. So it's not perfect, but it's not far off. I would say it's 95% clean, which is fantastic considering the amount of effort that was put in. If you had to scrub it for an hour, you'd be disappointed, but you pour the stuff on, you walk away and do something else for an hour, and then just give it a light clean and a rinse afterwards, and for it to come out like that, for the effort put into it, is pretty impressive. I think if we were to do it again, I think it would get rid of the remaining stains. Also, I think if we were to put it on a clean tray to begin with, it would have come out better, because this tray did have a lot of dirt and grime on it, and I think that in turn has gone into this. So it would have been better. It would have been a better test if we'd put this on a completely clean tray. But considering what it looked like at the beginning, it really has come out very good now. So all in all, it's not a gimmick. I would say that liquid soda crystals really do work. And because they appear to work well, we're going to link to this down in the description down below, so you can buy yourself some from Amazon. And it's not expensive. I think each of these were about £3. So yeah, you'll be able to clean 2 lots of these with 1 lot of them, and then it makes the job nice and easy and straightforward. If this video has helped you out and you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.